Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. The risk-on mood continues to prevail आज भी in the Asian equity markets. Dollar index is on the back foot. US bond yields are retreating. USD CNH has also pulled back. All of these are very good news for the Indian rupee और USD INR offshore में 82.2930 के आसपास ट्रेड हो रहा है spot reference में. Now if it opens exactly where the offshore is indicating, the futures can start trading around 82, 36, 37 के आसपास. We are carrying shorts in USD INR and we'd like to book profit if it opens around 30, 35 के बीच on the futures. Now कल जो US का economic data था, that was mixed. Why I'm saying mixed? Because जो employment related data रहा है, that is continues to be quite strong. For example, the US private sector surveys, the private sector employment survey by ADP, jobless claims और Fed का जो एक economic survey आता है called the Beach Book, which gives out a detailed survey on the economy. All these reports continue to suggest that the US job market continues to be resilient in spite of the layoffs in the tech sector. Tech sector में layoffs है, which is a fact, but in spite of that, the overall employment market is still strong, but the wage growth is slowing down. But it's still, overall wage growth is robust, और जिसके कारण, because the job situation is good, overall wage growth is decent, the US consumption story is intact, and US economy is all about consumption. Now, why did I say mixed bag? क्योंकि US का जो ISM manufacturing data था, which basically does a survey of the manufacturing sector, that showed a 7th consecutive month of contraction. And we have seen this bad manufacturing sector data even from Europe and China as well. इसके लिए one can be excused to say that it's more of a global phenomena what we are seeing. तो इसके लिए markets, at least the risk assets, ignore it, but the dollar paid attention, and we saw the probability of, or the odds for a rate hike in June has receded dramatically now. Now the consensus is completely for no hike in June. Now what is going to be the course of action in USD INR? USD INR 82, 20, 25 के आसपास is the support zone. If that breaks, we are looking at a test of 82 levels on spot, or 82.50 or 82.60. These are the two important resistance zones on the spot. So what will be our trade? Our trade will be to sell on rise, क्योंकि अगर past pattern देखे, previous pattern over the last 8-9 months, anything below 82, and we see a lot of intervention from the RBI where they start buying dollars in the market. So अभी तक 82 आया नहीं है. So once it gets to 82, and if it goes below that, then we would look for opportunities where it can do a bottoming action. So as of now, our inclination will be to sell on rise USD INR, or with a proper stop loss. जैसे मैं बोला 82.5 और 82.60, ये दो major resistances है on a spot level. Now, short straddle, short strangle, just hold out, because ideally we need to see the market again stabilize. अगर ये 82 के आसपास आके stable हो जाता है, ये 82 के नीचे आके, then we can look for again shorting the straddle or strangle. Till then, it is better to hold out and see for at least for a couple of days a range form, and then go for a short straddle and strangle. क्योंकि premium कुछ खास नहीं है. Implied volatility is close to the record lows. इसके कारण जो option premiums है, they are very low. So your compensation for risk is not high. So it is better to avoid shorting straddle and strangle. Intraday में आप try कर सकते हो, but positional bet के हिसाब से we would like to see the market go into a range and then look to short a straddle and strangle. As of now, it's more of a directional bet on the short side. On cross currencies, GBP INR can see a big up move आज. Euro INR too may remain supported, but GBP INR is far stronger than Euro INR, so GBP INR can see an up move. और GBP INR options on NSE is quite liquid, so you can even consider, जैसे हम लोगों ने कल Telegram channel में ये suggest किया था, just during the last hour, कि GBP dollar is breaking out. So if somebody wants to trade GBP INR as a proxy for GBP dollar on the long side, then one can do a call spread. Because उसमें क्या है कि आपका risk is defined, और overnight अगर large gaps हुआ against you, your losses will be defined. It won't be as big as if you had carried futures. इसके लिए keep looking at GPINR options because they are catching liquidity. It's early days, so ensure that your trade size is small, around 20 to 25 lots at max. But it's a market to keep a watch on, the GPINR options. We keep posting about it on the Telegram channel. So in case you are not part of the Telegram channel, it is Currency Corner @Kotak Securities. It's a vibrant channel where we are sharing trades, various kinds of analysis, trading ideas, education, everything on that channel. So we welcome you there in case you are not a part of it. And if you are a part of it, thank you for joining us over there. So with this, I'm going to conclude आज का morning webcast. See you tomorrow.